Kitten here. Welcome to my channel. I have yet another for those of you who are into the plushies that kind of resembles a Labubu. Of course, this is not a Labubu. This is from another brand. And we have seen some things from this brand, as a matter of fact. Cure Planeta, I believe it's called. But this time they are with Liila. It's spelled Liila toys. And what I have from them, it came from Marshall's, by the way. So the price wasn't too bad. But we have Liila, whatever we call it, Chef Kitten. As you can see, there are 6 options, plus a secret. I would love to know what that one is. But all in all, they're pretty cute. They're all related to some form of pastry. So there's like chocolate roll, hazelnut puff, orange bagel, cherry bread, taro pastry, peach donut, and this one's called Baking Kitty. Looking pretty cute. And again, it's the little plushies that have the plastic hands, face, and feet. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. This is a pouch. No card, it seems. Okay. Maybe it's inside, or maybe there isn't one. It can be hard to say. There's some cute print on that. You can see the kitty imprint. Let's see who's inside. Oh, yeah, feels like the card's inside. Ooh, we got a little brown kitty with some deep, shiny eyes. And some cute little ribbons all the way around their face. That's very soft. Semi-posable feet. Not scented this time. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out my previous video. Okay, it feels like there's a little bit of a skeleton in this one. So you can pose them a bit. But not very much. It does have... Oops, that hadn't been brushed out either. If you ever get a fold in like that, just brush it. It's okay. It's just tucked in. But there are little loops. Little hanging cord. There's more in the bag. Here's our sticker. Or is it a card? It's a card. This is chocolate roll. And these come with clothing. A super cute plush apron with a bow. And a little bee. Where's your little bee go? It looks like the little bee goes on top of the head. Okay, so let's get this one dressed. This way, I think. Maybe. This ties right up around the neck. Just look at that. That is the cutest little kitty. I love those deep, shiny eyes. They look like they follow you around the room as you turn them around. It's really, really soft. Good quality fur. painting is a little bit soft looking. Almost looks hand painted here, but maybe printed still. Liila cat there. I am very pleased with that. That is a cute little critter. And yeah, I wouldn't be heartbroken to have more of those. I can make friends with my billionaire cat figure. I'd also still love to see what that secret looks like. So what do you guys think? Which one would you want to get? I have seen cherry bread before. One of my friends has got her. But I haven't seen any of the rest of them. And I certainly would like to see. But yeah, who would you choose? And what do you think in general? Make your comments below. Have any of you been collecting some of these? Honestly, I'm really starting to like these a lot more than Labubu because there's so much more variety to be had. And, well, to be honest, most of mine are not real Labubus. But quality, they don't look much different. These have a really nice quality to them. I mean, it is undeniably good quality materials. And I'm just loving them. So, of course, like I said, let me know what you guys think. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Visit me on Patreon, Etsy, Discord, Rumble, and all them good places. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.